Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Jellyfin app into your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. If you find this insightful, if you get help downloading this application from this video, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share. This helps the channel grow and will continue bringing you value like this. Head over to your browser, and in this case, I'm using the Google browser. Any browser will work fine as far as your TV is running an Android operating system. So when you're in your browser, search for the app you wish to download. In this tutorial, we'll be downloading the Jellyfin application. So type in Jelly Fin application. Here is it. I'm using my mouse to easily navigate my TV box. So when you're in, you will be presented with a lot of options. I want you to go to the option that has play.google.com and get into the Google App Store. Click on it and you'll be prompted to put in your login details to log into your Google account if this is your first time. If it is not your first time, you can click on the install button and the Jellyfin application will be downloaded straight into your Android TV. Be patient, and when it is done, go to your app library and open up the application. If you found value in this tutorial, again, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.